Hello everyone, this is Alice from Yuanhan. How do you wire two welds together with compound splicing or creaming? Whether you're in automotive industry, electronic sector, or any other field requiring reliable weld welding, our ultrasonic weld welding machine has got you covered. Popular models YH-X2020A, X2020A, and X2040A. The welding harness area ranges from 0.5 square millimeter to 30 square millimeter, suitable for a wide variety of applications. The cross-section of ultrasonic welding parts has better density and is less likely to form voids. Time and power can be set to ensure stable welding quality. For anything less than the best, contact us today to revolutionize your welding process with the ultrasonic welding machine.